Hello everyone, welcome to our today's topic on microplastic in aquaculture. I'm Dr. Rakhi Dash, Assistant Professor, School of Agriculture, Department of Aquaculture, Sage University, Bhopal. Our today's topic is the effect of microplastic in aquaculture. First of all, we should have to know that what is microplastic. Microplastics are very small pieces of plastic that are less than a 5 millimeter in size, and they can be come from a variety of sources like broken plastic sources, resin pellets, microbeads, glitter, and seed coating also. The broken plastic sources basically are larger pieces of the plastic that have been broken apart over time. The resin pellet used in the plastic manufacturing company and the microbeads are very small manufactured plastic beads used in cosmetics and health products. Glitter and seed coating intentionally manufactured from the plastic company. Sources of microplastic. Different microplastics are come from the different sources like trash, dust, fabrics, cosmetics, cleaning product, rain, seafood, different plastic product from the urban area, and table salt also. According to the scientist view, the synthetic textiles are the single ingredient contributes to the engineered microplastic in the oceans, accounting for 35% of the total volume of the polystyrene and nylon, acrylic, and other synthetic fibers, each a form of the plastic, make up to 60% of the fabric content from the cloth. Next slide tell about the microplastic in aquatic environment. The different type found in the water bodies. The most common type of microplastics are polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, polyterephthalate, and polyamide also. Distribution. Microplastic can be found in a variety of the aquatic environments, including lakes, streams, and the oceans. Accumulations. Microplastics can accumulate in aquatic environments due to a number of factors, including their ability to float, their constant presence, and their ability to absorb poisonous compounds from the water. Impact on aquaculture of microplastics. Microplastic in aquatic environment are found in a variety of types, and their distribution and accumulation can be influenced by a number of the factors, such as first is ingestion by farm species. Farmed aquatic species often mistakes microplastic for food particles. Various species, including fish, shellfish, crustaceans, have been observed ingesting microplastic. Ingestion rates can vary depending on the species, particle size, and concentration of microplastic in the environment. Now, next point is the potential effects on growth and health. The potential effect on growth of health, which basically found the physical impacts, nutritional impact, stress responses, reproductive effect, and growth inhibitions also. How physical impact can be found by the microplastics? Microplastics can cause internal abrasions or blockages in the digestive system. Nutritional impact like ingested microplastics may lead to reduce the nutrient uptake level and false satiations. Stress responses. Presence of the microplastic can trigger stress responses, potentially affecting immune system of the fishes. Reproductive effect. Some studies suggest microplastics may impact reproductive success in certain species. Growth inhibitions. Chronic exposure to microplastics might result the reduced growth rate of the some aquaculture species. Next point is a bioaccumulation in the food chain. Microplastic can accumulate in the tissue of the aquatic organisms over a long period. By the lower trophic level, organism ingested the microplastic which are there consumed by the higher level products. This process can lead to increasing the concentration level of the microplastic by the higher level of food chains. Routes of contamination of aquaculture. Generally, three routes are basically responsible for the contamination of the aquaculture and the microplastics by water sources, feed contaminations, equipment, and materials used also. Potential risks to human health. How can microplastic affect the human health? Microplastic can damage our oxidative responses, DNA damage, changes in the gene activity, inflammations, cell death, lung and liver effects, and it can be changes our gut microbiome also. The last slide is mitigation strategies. How can we control the microplastic from our aquacultures? We can reducing the plastic use in the aquaculture operations. We can improving the waste management programs. We can use the alternative materials supplementary from the different sources like cotton, jute, and different natural materials. And last point is the regulatory approaches mainly follow the current policies and guidelines. Thank you for listening me. Stay tuned with us.